Hey guys, Dama here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful, beautiful, fabulous day today. Today, I am super excited to be recording this video for you guys because actually, I was trying to record for you guys the unboxing of my very first FitFun box that I got for fall. And for whatever reason, my camera was acting up. I recorded the whole thing, tried uploading it, wouldn't work. I managed to get it to do it, and then my computer memory was full. With all that craziness aside, here again trying to record this video for you guys, the winter box instead. I put a poll on Instagram asking if you guys wanted to see this. Several of you said yes, so that's why I'm recording this today. If you're new to my channel and like to join our little family here on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and also hit that notification bell that will notify you every time I post a video. I post a video every week, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. This box is a quarterly subscription, I guess is the best way to put it, because it's not monthly like the BoxyCharm. This one you get it 4 times out of the year, and it's for all 4 seasons, so spring, summer, fall, and winter. It always brings a different mix of goodies. It brings like home stuff, decor stuff, and beauty stuff, and all kinds of different things in there. So I paid for the annual subscription of, I want to say $179, and if you do the quarterly subscription, I think it's $49.99 a month. I mean, sorry, every quarter. I'm not too sure of the pricing, but I will link it in the description box below for those of you interested, and that way you guys can go check it out. This is not a sponsored video. I just absolutely love this, and I love unboxing videos, and just as much as I like to watch them, I like to record them, so that's why we're doing this today. And for those of you that noticed, yes, I have officially straighten my hair out. It's currently in like this crazy weird little bun because it is super oily, but as of December 5th, I made my year mark of wearing my hair curly for an entire year. It was such a challenge, you guys. It was so hard, but I pushed through and I made it happen. I straightened my hair, I believe, 4 days or 5 days before my year mark, only because I had my company Christmas party coming up and I wanted to straighten my hair, but because I had gotten a diva cut, I wasn't sure where it was, so I didn't want a surprise the day of the party, so I went a few days before and got my hair done just to see where it was. And actually it is perfectly healthy, perfectly fine. I don't know if I'll do it all over again for an entire year without straightening my hair. I guess we'll see, but for now I'm just enjoying my straight hair again. Oh, anyways, again, off topic. I am on a rant today. I don't know where I got all this energy from. I was exhausted at work all day today. I worked 8 to 5, came home, I cooked, I cleaned a little bit, and now I'm doing this for you guys. So it's been an absolutely long day, but I was really excited because I just got this in the mail today and I was like dying to get home to record this. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. Okay, so let me flip the box this way, that way you guys can see it. This is gorgeous in the inside. There you go. Here. So the first thing in here is this pamphlet, and it looks like a magazine, but it's really not. It's pretty much covers everything that's inside your box and different way to use it, and I think they have like the discount stuff. It is kind of sort of like a magazine, but it's informative in a way. So the total value of the box is between $290 to $335, and there it shows you all the products that come in the box. And if you are an annual member like I am, I think you can select up to 5 or 6 goodies, and if you're just like a regular member, like the ones that pay every quarter, I think you get to select up to 3 items, if that made any sense. So that's the first thing you see in there. Then they throw in some coupons and stuff like that. Take this off. Oh my god, this box looks so exciting. And there you have it. These are all the items in the box. And the first thing I spot in here is the Macadamian Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care. So I love, love, love this brand for hair products. I love their deep mask. I have one, their deep conditioning mask, and it costs about $20 for the little container. But it's so good. You leave it in your hair for like 7 minutes and it leaves your hair so soft and shiny, and it's amazing. So this is the treatment mask, Intense Care for Dry and Damaged Hair, made with pure Moroccan oil and enriched with keratin and sulfate free. So this looks very similar to the one I buy, but I want to smell this. Oh my god, it's like all stuck to the top. This smells so soft. For the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask, this values for $49. And just like the one, like I said, I currently have, you leave in your hair. It says, after shampooing, leave mask in hair for 5 to 7 minutes and rinse. This is definitely worth the money. And the choice was between this and the comb set of the headband and pop top glove duo, but since in Florida there's no real winter, I was not gonna go for that. Now the next item I see in here are these really cute over the knee socks, and I am absolutely in love. First of all, I am a huge fan of gray. And these pretty little socks here, these value for $24. For extra warmth, wear the socks over leggings or tights with knee-high boots. Now it's a little chilly. We're like in the 50s for next couple of days. So I'm really, really excited. These are so nice. And they feel so comfy and warm. I'm so excited. Okay, next we have this hydration cream mask by Ahava. Yeah, I think it's Ahava. This hydrating cream mask values for $33. I am a little confused as to what it is exactly. Use it as a 3-minute hydration boost or as an overnight sleeping mask. Oh, okay, that makes more sense. Hydration is always very, very important, especially in the winter. So I'm so happy this came in my box. And the next item here is called Thrive Cosmetics. And this is a Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. This is in the color Stella Champagne Shimmer. It says, highlight the inner corner of your eye for a brightening effect. Okay, I'm going to try this on the back of my hand. That is a pretty intense highlight. You guys see that? And I'm at a distance there. And that looks super bright. This may be useful, you know, to highlight your brow bone or your inner corner. That's really cute. Okay. And this retails for $24. We got in here is the Elevate 2 Essential Oils, Eucalyptus and Sweet Orange with Fragrance Coconut Oil. Let's smell these. I love essential oils. I actually ordered from Grove Collab these dryer balls, and I always put essential oils in them and throw them in the dryer. It just smells delicious, and I love using eucalyptus. So I am so happy these came in. Eucalyptus is my favorite scent. Okay, so one is eucalyptus mint, and then the other is sweet orange. And these retail for $31. These oils can be applied directly onto the skin. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms, while sweet orange eases stomach cramps and headache. So it looks like we got 3 items left from what I can see. Okay, so the very next thing we got is this Pretty Throw by Mark and gram. So in case you guys didn't know, I absolutely love throws. I mean, I got this one right here. This is one of my favorites, and it is actually the exact same wool texture of this one. I love to take throws with me when I go on vacation, and I'm literally cold all the time. I have a personal heater at my job because I am always cold, and I have throws by the couch, throws at the bottom of my bed. I'm just always freezing, so you can never have enough throws. At least I can never have enough throws in my life. So I'm excited about that. And this throw retails for $49. Next item is by the brand Black, and it is an eye mask. Black hyaluronic eye mask with hyaluronic acid is your under eye area puffy or swollen detox and depuff with this active charcoal eye mask for the refreshed look. And this retails for $29. I'm honestly not huge with like sheet mask, but I will definitely be giving this a try, and I will be posting my review on it later. I'll probably use it when I'm doing one of my makeup looks. That way I could just decide in the moment or talk to you guys about it in the moment I try it out. Next item is this lipstick by Bite. I honestly can't say I've ever tried this brand. I am very particular when it comes to lipsticks. I think in total I have maybe about, I want to say 4 brands that I really use and really like. And it's not that I'm not open to trying different lipstick brands. It's just, you know, when I find something I really like, I stick to it, you know? So anyways, this is a traditional lipstick, and it retails for $26, and it's in the color Merengue. This is a high impact lipstick in a peachy nude shade. This lipstick is handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. I don't know why I thought it would be as red as this, but this is actually a very pretty nude. You guys see that? So I'm gonna swatch some in the back of my hand. Okay, so that is a very pinky nude shade. So there you have it. That was $26. And for the last item, I was super excited about this one because these were one of the items I selected. This was the Halston Jewelry Portfolio. When I'm on vacation, I like to have my jewelry organized. I keep throwing it in this little bag or box, I'm sorry, where my watch came in, but it's so uncomfortable. So I've been eyeing to get one of these because I will be going on vacation pretty soon. So I was excited about it. Go ahead and show you guys. Oh, let's go. And this is so pretty. Okay, so the way it's designed is that it has these little things here where you can, do you guys hear that? I'm sorry. Sorry if you guys can hear all the noise going on outside of the door. It's my boyfriend. He's watching TV, and I think my friend just got here. I don't know. Anyways, so these little flaps that it has here, you can like put your necklaces in there or your bracelets, and then it has like little holes so where you can hang earrings as well. And this one too, and then it has like a cute little zipper to where you can probably put like your rings in here so they don't fall out. And then it has this separator, and then it has this area off for necklaces, and then it has this little flap in the bottom for you to pin them down. So you can definitely fit a lot of jewelry in here. And this portfolio retails for $48. And that was the last item in my box. That was everything in here. I absolutely love the box. I want to recycle it and probably use it to give some Christmas gifts in it. I don't know, we'll see, but it's really cute. I like it. Like I said, guys, that concludes my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm off to go play with my new goodies like a kid at a candy store. Super excited over here. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.